Greetings everyone, my name is attorney Roy Galloway, and today I decided to do a video about no-fault divorces in Pennsylvania. I get a lot of calls into my office with questions from individuals who are considering going through a divorce, and they ask about no-fault divorces. So I decided to do this video, and hopefully it enlightens a few people about the process in Pennsylvania. Basically, there's two different types of no-fault divorces in Pennsylvania. Well, two sections on the Pennsylvania Divorce Code. The first section is Section 3301C, and that allows parties to receive a divorce if they both mutually agree to it. Under 3301C, after 90 days has passed, after the divorce complaint has been filed, if both parties sign affidavits consenting to a divorce, then the court will proceed and issue a divorce decree. However, that under 3301C, it requires both spouses to agree to the divorce. If both spouses don't agree to the divorce, then you can't get a divorce under Section 3301C, and you might end up getting a divorce under 3301D, which is the other no-fault provision. And under 3301D, that's a no-fault divorce under the grounds of irretrievably breakdown in the marriage. The parties under 3301D must be separated for at least 2 years in order for a divorce to be granted under Section 3301D. And that can be done in two ways. If the plaintiff files a divorce for divorce and the defendant does not do anything, the plaintiff can get a divorce after 2 years. However, if the defendant does contest whether or not the parties have been separated for 2 or more years, then the matter has to go before the court for a hearing to decide whether the parties have been divorced in fact for two or more years. If it is determined that the parties have been divorced for 2 or more years, the plaintiff can get a divorce under Section 3301D even if the defendant does not agree with the divorce. So those are the basic no-fault provisions in Pennsylvania by which parties can obtain a divorce, and it's pretty easy nowadays. In a lot of counties in Pennsylvania, they offer forms for pro se litigants where you can do your own divorce. If you're not comfortable with doing your own divorce, then you can certainly hire an attorney, and an attorney would know how to take care of that type of divorce. It's a pretty straightforward type of divorce. I like no-fault divorces because it keeps things from getting messy, and also because it keeps the cost down. Parties don't have to fight over who's at fault in order to obtain a divorce. And in my opinion, through my experience, the fault-based grounds have become somewhat obsolete now that we have no-fault divorces. If you have any further questions or you need assistance with obtaining a no-fault divorce, please don't hesitate to contact me on the web at www.roygallowaylaw.com, or I can be reached at area code 717-737-3300. Thank you.